What debts can you get rid of through Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And the answer to that question is almost any debt, given your situation. Your decision making goes into what debts you can get rid of. But let's talk for a minute about credit card debt, the most common one. That is the biggest problem that people seem to have right now is credit card debt that they just can't pay back. That is dischargeable in Chapter 7. You can be rid of credit card debt quite easily through Chapter 7. The way the credit card debt collection process works when you can't pay those debts is they usually threaten you, they call you, they have a collection agency call you. Eventually, if you're just unable to pay, they might file a lawsuit. They have to file a lawsuit in order to do a wage garnishment because they have to have their debt made into a judgment. That's just a piece of paper by a judge ordering the debt to be collected. Once that happens, once the judge issues the judgment, then they can send that judgment to court and they can get an order of garnishment to go out to your employer. Your employer will then start taking 25% of your pay if it's here in this jurisdiction of Tennessee and sending it to the creditor. So you don't want to let that happen. In Chapter 7, you can be rid of all those credit card debts. You can discharge them all very quickly. It's a very fast process. It can be done, your part of it can be done in 30 to 40 days, and then there'll have to be some time run for discharge. But essentially, your debts will be completed then, and you'll get an order of discharge and you'll be free of them. That's how credit card works in Chapter 7. There are many other debts that we need to talk about. There are many ways that Chapter 7 can help you. But being free of the debts and the financial problems that plague you, that plague your life, that cause you to lose sleep, that keep you up at night, that make your life miserable, those can usually be alleviated through Chapter 7. We'll look at some of the other ones in the next video, folks. Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you have bills you can't pay, whether they're credit card bills or some other kind of bill, and you want to consider some type of bankruptcy relief, I'd love to talk with you about that, folks. Call me right now for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.